Hi, I'm Alex from Stream and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the central opening pleated screen. This style of screen is particularly useful if you have a very high door or if you have very wide doors, for example maybe a bifold, because each of these leaves can cover up to 3 metres. So in total you can cover a 6 metre wide door. The frame itself is aluminium and very narrow, 22 millimetres front to back. The track that runs along the bottom of the door is only 4 millimetres deep and adheres to the floor, so there are no issues over a trip hazard. The mesh itself is pleated, as the name suggests, and when you push the screen to the open position, it just concertinas back to the side like so. The screen operates on a string system that runs through the mesh, and this allows you to leave the door positioned at any place across the opening. But when you do want to close it totally, there is a magnetic strip that runs down the side of the handlebar on each of the door screens, and that meets in the middle at the joiner. The mesh will give you very good visibility through the screen and also a good airflow too. If you have any further questions, please take a look at the product page, or if there are still questions that are unanswered there, please do get in touch.